You're looking amazing today. It's amazing how you manage things. He's amazing in studies. Stop using this word amazing like for every sentence. If you still say amazing for everything, folks, you sound average even when you're feeling awesome. See what's happening. We are not upgrading our vocabulary, we are upgrading our vibes. So here's how emotionally intelligent and charismatic communicators express appreciation with elegance and impact. Instead of "she's my best friend," say "she's my comfort zone" or "she's my emotional home." Instead of "your content is amazing," say "your content feels like a dopamine rush." Instead of "your voice is amazing," say "your voice carries emotion like poetry." Instead of "this painting is amazing," say "it pulls you into its silence." Instead of saying "this place is amazing," say "this place feels like peace found a location." See, words carry energy, and if you want to sound charismatic and magnetic, you need to speak in vibrations and not just vocabulary. Drop the word magnetic into the comment section and I will send you my power phrases list, that is 21 better words for everyday phrase. Follow me for more such communication tips. Till then, keep speaking, keep shining, and have a magnetic personality.